Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to recover your Telegram account. Now, if you have a new phone, new tablet, new PC, and you want to log in, you want to recover it, it's pretty simple because your Telegram account is tethered to your mobile number. If you still use the same mobile number, you're going to be fine, no matter if you're using a new device or not. So when you open your Telegram, right, this is going to be for the laptop or PC version, right? All you need to do is click, scan this on your mobile device, and then you just follow the instructions. Open Telegram on your phone, go to settings, devices, add device, point your phone in the screen, and confirm login, right? Or you can log in via the phone number, right? So click this and just enter your phone number, right? If you forgot after this, if you forgot your phone number, or the login code, because you're gonna have a password after this, click forgot password. Now it's going to be sent to your email, your main email. Again, doesn't matter what your device is. If you have a new PC, a new phone, new tablet, it's going to be the same number, same mobile number, and same email. Just go to your email, see the password, put it here, and you're going to be set. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.